In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for symbols on MetaTrader 5. If you're using MetaTrader 5 and you want to quickly find a trading instrument that is not currently visible in your MarketWatch panel, this process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to search for symbols directly from the MarketWatch area on the left side of the platform. To begin, look over to the left side of MetaTrader 5. This is where you'll usually see the MarketWatch panel, which lists the symbols that are currently available for quick viewing, such as currency pairs, indices, commodities, or other instruments offered by your broker. If the symbol you want is not already showing there, you can add it manually. At the top of the MarketWatch section, click the plus icon. This is the option used to add more instruments to your list. After you click it, the Add window will open, giving you a place to search for the symbol you need. Once that window appears, click into the search field and type in the symbol you want to find. Be as accurate as possible when entering the name or abbreviation, since some brokers use slightly different symbol formats. For example, a broker may add extra letters or suffixes to certain instruments, so if your first search does not show the exact result, try typing only part of the symbol name to widen the search. As you type, MetaTrader 5 will begin filtering the available instruments and showing matching results. This makes it much easier to locate the symbol without scrolling through long lists. When you find the one you want, you can add it so it appears in your MarketWatch panel for future access. This is a useful feature if you're setting up a watch list, preparing charts, or looking for a specific market that isn't visible by default. It helps keep your workspace organized while still giving you fast access to a wider range of instruments whenever you need them. That's all you need to do to search for symbols on MetaTrader 5. Go to the MarketWatch panel on the left, click the plus icon to add, and type in the symbol you want. Once you get used to this, finding and adding instruments becomes a quick part of your regular trading setup.